Hi, I am Dr. Kachri, MD in Ayurveda, your integrative health expert. As my expertise is in Ayurveda pharmaceutics, many people keep on asking me questions which are related to the botanical or herbal products. So, the most commonly asked question to me is that, Doctor, what are the things which we need to keep in mind while choosing our herbal product or while buying our botanical product? So, here I am to highlight you with few of the points which you need to remember while choosing your botanical product. So, number one is the name of the product. So the product which you are used to or which you are using it like since years, so there's no question about the name, but still you should be very cautious while choosing the product. You have to check the name of the product. Also, whether it complies with the prescription, if it has been prescribed by any of the doctor. Number two is the ingredients. You need to check the ingredients with your botanical names, or just go through it for like once. I'm not telling you to go in detailing of the ingredients because that's not your work to do at all, but only just to go through the ingredients superficially to get an idea that okay, this is an herbal or a Ayurveda product. Just to confirm that, you can just go quickly through the ingredients. Number three, what you can do is go through the manufacturing and expiry date. Why I would like to tell you this is because the expiry date is so much important. The product has, each and every product has an expiry date. So this is a myth where most of the people, they feel that Ayurveda has no expiry, or Ayurvedic products can be used for like years and years. Though Ayurveda is a herbal science, but everything has an expiry date. So the shelf life of each product has been described in Ayurvedic classics. So guys, please go through the expiry date before buying your product. Then number four, what you can do is check on the expiry date. After that, you can just see if you need an organic product. If you are looking for an organic product, just go through the label where you can find some logos which are related to your organic product. So you can just see whether those logos are present on the product if you're opting for an organic product. Then number five is you can also see whether your product is GMP certified. Yes, what is GMP? GMP is good manufacturing practices. So just see whether your product contains this GMP certified logo. Below the ingredient list, you can find this logo. So this will give you a surety that whatever product you are buying is really of a good quality and definitely will give you results. 65 to 70% of breakouts are caused due to contaminated products which are unknown to the formulator. So, to avoid this contamination, it is advisable that you use a spoon or a spatula to remove or take out the product. This is especially in the case of any of the cosmetic products where you are using any kind of powder or a mask, very fine powder, or even it could be some kind of churnas, very fine churnas which you are using. So if you are taking out from a container which is weighing 100 gram or 200 gram container, you need to use a spoon or a spatula. Please do not enter your fingers into it, because that's going to cause contamination to the whole product, causing fungus on the product, and which is not at all advisable, and you won't get the desired results. Yes. And the last thing which I would like to tell you is, please go and do your patch test. Once you buy the product, please assure that you do this patch test, because to check any of the allergies which are caused if the product is not suitable for your skin type. So this is especially in the case of cosmetic products which I'm talking about. So you need to do this. So there are a number of laws which have been mentioned by the labeling laws, which companies do follow, and they follow these labeling laws and they write whatever cautions are required on the label for the consumer and the client's benefit. So this was for today. Please do keep watching for more updates, and stay tuned if you really want to know about GMP, that is good manufacturing practices. And thank you for watching. Stay fit, stay healthy, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.